What's good with the nation? It's a new day. I swear starting off these videos feels so weird, simply because I pretty much start the video while I end the last one, so it kind of feels like I'm still in the last vlog. But yeah, it's been super humid, and like it's weird, like I can't explain it, but I could smell the humidity. Like I just got into my car, and of course I had a remote started, but the AC was off once again. But it smells humid. Like I can't explain it. Like it just smells moist. I know a lot of people hate that word, but I love saying it because I know it gets under people's skin. So you know I'm about to spray this blunt power real quick. You know, I don't do none of that stuff. You know, this is a safe channel. I don't do that. But you know, I got this because it smells good in the mud. So, you know, I'm about to spray this real quick. I spray it back here because, you know, I'm speaking a mile a minute, but I spray it back there because I don't like spraying it up front, because people actually get up front and then you be smelling like this because it's like just concentrated oil. But yeah, I'm about to go meet up with my aunt. So, you know what I'm about to say. Let's get it.
Here we go. Now touch that head. Let me stop playing with y'all. Be that we rock. Hold up.
This right here, this is what I live for. But currently about to meet up with my aunt. You know, I forgot to mention it is what, day 9 now. It's mad windy. Hopefully it sounds real good, but hold up. Woo! I need that. But yeah, how's y'all day going? I don't even know. I'm just having a great day right now. Just feeling like vlogging everywhere. Okay. And you know, just having fun. But once again, I am late because I was waiting on her, because I live literally 5 minutes away from where I'm going right now. So let me put the camera up real quick. So I just made it here with my aunt, and my honorable aunt, she over there.
I can't be in the camera. You said you didn't want to. I didn't say that. Bye. Hi.
She told me she didn't want to be on the Bleezy.
The
so,
lies you tell, don't listen to her.
Why? See, I get no respect on my channel. No respect. This is exactly how I live. I swear, these last couple days, I've been eating real good. Yeah, you know, my boy made me some food, you know. His family thing, I need to put on weight, so they just been feeding me. So I'll probably be over there for the rest of the week. Alright, so leaving wherever it was, I just had to give me a couple little shots of the car, but I couldn't really get a good shot because I had to pee. So like every time I went to like squat to take a photo, I was like shaking. So you know, yeah, hopefully it came out good, but it is what it is. Bye, have a great night. Thank you. Almost stalled. I just stalled. that cutty just stalled. So I just tried to put it, I was trying to drive with one hand, and I tried to put it in first, and I was like, nah, this in third. So I tried to put it in first again, and I'm like, hold up, this taking way too long to take off, and it was in third. But at that point, I stopped. So this is, how's y'all night going? Cause my night is just all types all over the place, and I'm just having the time of my life. This person coming up quick. Don't you just hate when people are behind you? Like, for me, like, I try to roll back so people can see that I'm in a manual, so that way they don't get up on my behind. But they still, like, be all up on you, bruh. The freak from behind me. I'm trying to not curse, but this is the main time I curse. Freaking dead end. Day 243 without redlining. If y'all think the whip sound pretty alright, it's only a vibrant Catback, leave a like. You know, like when you gotta take a leak and you right outside your house and you can't find your key. I do know that this is about to be one of those situations. Oh my god. Oh my god. Matter of fact, let me get the key out now. Yo, because if I sneeze the wrong way, bro, if I sneeze the wrong way, this is not going to end well for me. Had to start jogging. Oh, yo, don't run and flip flops. Almost broke my ankle. Alright, you guys, another day down. I don't know, I'm just really in a good mood, you know. I don't know, can't explain it. I haven't ever really been a person of words. But I'm just happy right now. Also possibly because it's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm kind of tired. I'm trying to kind of be more upbeat, but I'm like about to pass out. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Make sure you share this with your cutties, you know, so that way they could be my cutties. And yeah, you know, slow motion over no motion. Stay hungry and be patient. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. Peace.